Hello students, I welcome you all in the Anandam classes of our channel Studio Society. As many of our students have requested to make a video in English language, so I hereby present this video to all of my English medium students. It is easy for Hindi medium students also because I have used very layman language which is very easy to understand for both the mediums. So here I am going to discuss some examples of goodness activity based on skill developments. Do consider these activities as hint. I am repeating the sentence again. Do consider these activities as hints because these are just examples that can help you in making Anandam Diary. The actual activities you have to perform, then you have to include those activities in your diary. So the examples which I am giving here will act like the hint for your Anandam Diary. So these all activities you have to perform nearby your locality or surroundings. It doesn't matter whether you belong to an urban area or you belong to a rural area. So I'm going to tell you examples of how you can help people or how you can bring quality in their life or for the betterment of their lifestyle, and also how can you empower them. So it depends on the daily situations you face or you come across, and those real situations you have to jot it down or you have to add in your Anandam Diary. So the next step which I'm going to tell you is that you have to prepare your page background, and that page background is necessary for the every page of your Anandam Diary in which you are including the activity. So for the page background, on the top right hand side you have to write date. Then at the bottom, the left corner, you have to write the signature of the mentor as I have shown you with my slide. While on the right hand side you have to mention the signature of student. So now students, I am going to discuss some of the activities which are based on skill development. Students, many times you might have noticed that the servants or the maid aunties working at your home or place sometimes brings their kid or kids with them while their kids are alone at their place, or by chance there is some other situation. So the example one I'm going to discuss. Many times my servants or maids' children come with them. One day, while my maid or servant was working, the children were doing English homework. They were facing a lot of difficulties while doing that because nobody knows English in their family. So that small help from my side became very helpful for those children, and that have cleared many doubts related to verb, tenses, or any pronunciation. So their parents were very happy because of my kindness, because of my help to their student or children, and I also promised them to help whenever they'll face problem in their homework. So I really felt inner happiness while helping those students, and such activities you also may encounter daily in your daily routine. So you can also add examples of such activities in your Anandam Diary. Now the second activity which I'm going to discuss is about making your environment or surrounding healthy. Suppose you knew how to prepare kadha. Kadha you might have heard during COVID times many times. Elaichi ka kadha or long ka kadha or adrak ka kadha, which is a traditional Indian drink often consumed as chai or tea and is considered to be effective against cold or cough or seasonal flu, basically, especially the COVID-19 flu. So made with Indian herbs and spices loaded with antioxidants. So during this epidemic, I learned to prepare kadha from my grandmother, and after learning this kadha, I told my neighbors to prepare kadha at home and give to all of the family members so that they can have a good immunity system. So I helped my neighbor by making kadha and just told them the recipe as well as the benefits at the same time of kadha, as it is a natural immunity booster. So all of my neighbors felt very happy, and since from next day they all seems to be very energetic, and this energetic and positive way made me really felt very happy. This example is very relevant to all of the students because At this time of epidemic of COVID-19, smartphones or laptop or such devices became very useful. As we've noticed earlier that students and mobile phones do not have any comparison, but now students without smartphone have no comparison. And from now, smartphones have become the need for the students to attend their classes, to manage their homeworks, of course, to see such videos, such very and helpful videos. And such helpful videos can only be seen if you are going to subscribe our channel, if you're going to share such videos to many students so that you can help. Again, a part of activity of Anandam subject. So do like, share and subscribe our channel. Alright, so coming back to our activity example 3, some of my college students want to take online classes, but they were not having access to smartphone or laptop. So I just helped them by connecting my smartphone to the students for their online classes, and I especially put that phone in the center table so that many students can attend the classes. Students felt very happy because they were facing difficulty because of lack of such important devices. I felt very happy while helping my students. So that, see, it's very important for a teacher to help students, and the teacher felt real happiness by only helping their students. Again, I'm here with a very relevant example. These days, many of the students might have seen their mummy to like sewing the mask or clothes. So I love sewing my clothes, and there was a lot of waste pieces of clothes left. So I just utilized my skill as well as my clothes by making mask, and I just distributed in the nearby society or the slum area that is beside my society. So I did this with the intention of helping the people to wear and to make them learn how to sew mask themselves, who cannot afford or the one who don't know how to sew masks in the difficult times of COVID-19. I also told them merits as well as demerits of wearing masks, how masks can be very beneficial for them, and such helping nature of mine might have saved many people from COVID-19. And I felt very happy by helping children, students, young people, adults, and the old citizens of my area. Also, it made many women empowered by sewing and selling masks in order to run their family. And this made them as well as me very happy. Again, a reminder that on the top right hand side you have to write date, then at the left corner the signature of the mentor, while on the right the signature of the students. And this you have to write on the every page of your Anandam diary in which you are including the activity or writing the activity. Alright? So the next activity is about performing yoga, and which is very beneficial for our health. So today, like daily as my routine, I was performing yoga in the society park, and some of the students sat beside me and started enacting the yoga asanas and pranayam in the way I was doing. When I saw them, I felt very happy that still there are students who have yearned for learning something new. And I started doing yoga with them by explaining the steps and benefits of performing yoga. Since from that day, yoga became part of their life, and it made them as well as me very happy. So of course, every time you can make people learn what you know. If I have knowledge about something, and your knowledge gets doubled if you transfer it, so it is going to help other also. So by this way, students, and by including such examples of daily activities, you can make your diary more interesting for the invigilator especially. I heard about a query from the students, from some of my students. Students were asking, do we need to do a new activity daily? So I would like to answer them or recommend them, no, you can repeat. See, it is not important to do new work daily, but it is very important to do good work daily so that it can help other people and just make them happy. So at the end, I would like to say, do good and feel good. Do good for the society and feel good for yourself. And of course, thank you. Thank you so much to be a part of our studio society. And being a part of society, I request you all to please share, like, and subscribe our channel. And if you really love our video, do comment also. And thank you so much for being a part of our society. Thank you so much. Take care and have a nice day.